Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Bauer brushless 2300 PSI pressure washer from Harbor Freight. Let's go ahead and unbox it and then get to testing. Alright, so I already like what I see upon opening. It looks like there's not going to be a whole lot of building to the pressure washer. So I see on top, it's a little bit different than the other Bauer I had. So I actually I ended up giving it to a friend, the 2000, I think it was 2000 PSI version, the one that has like the hose reel. And you know, originally when I bought that one, I really liked the idea of having the hose reel, but I found pretty quickly, which I don't know if other people felt this way in the reviews, that it was pretty useless for me, because in order to use the hose reel, you got to completely, really to use it properly, you got to unscrew the hose from the actual pressure washer head and the wand. It's an expensive electric one they have, coming in around, I think, 230 bucks. Okay, so the handles go on pretty easily. I already like that. Looks like getting this basically thing apart is very simple because there's really only two pieces to it. Pressure washer comes in a two-piece. You got your wand, and then we also have the turbo nozzle or attachment already attached to it, which it seems like a lot of people really like these. I've never used one before. You basically get like the kind of twist effect. So you can lock it by pressing that in, unlock it by pulling it out. But, okay, well, that already feels a little better for the wand, because I'll tell you what, the wand on the last one never wanted to stay in. Every time I moved that thing around, the wand would, like, especially going through gravel, it would just like fall off and kind of be annoying. And same with the hoses and the cords. They always get wrapped underneath the wheels because they just didn't stay on very well. So now that we got the wand out, we got the pressure washer, I guess you could say built, whenever there was to that. We'll go ahead and get the hose kind of going. It's a good idea if you want to put some grease or like WD-40 onto these O-rings. That'll definitely help them last longer. Also kind of help them get into the actual fittings a little easier. 25-foot hose. I saw a lot of people said that they upgraded to a 50-foot hose. Not something I would think I'd personally need, although I could see if you're doing like driveways and houses very regularly, I think the 50-foot would be a great option. But yeah, I already like this better than the old design, where I can take my hose and wrap it here, and then the cord reel you can actually take on the other side, and it has a little handle for it. Yeah, and I would say that they make, I might, you know, maybe extending this little L bracket would be worth it, but hey, I'd say it's tall enough and good enough to where I wrapped it and then put it up exactly how I would after I used it. And I would say that this is pretty convenient and portable. The wheels are actually surprisingly, like, they have like a rubber coating over them. I thought they were just like straight solid plastic, but it's like solid, you know, kind of like cheaper plastic, but it has a rubber, somewhat textured coating over it. So kind of quiet. I thought it was going to be like those trash can style wheels. So hey, kind of an added bonus. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that concentrate straight into there, and then get this thing fired up and see how it works. All right, so I wanted you guys to hear the difference of the motor when it kicks on this unit. I want you guys to hear the difference here. So the brushless unit is a lot quieter. The last pressure washer that I had was just, I guess, non-brushless. That could be an advantage for some people. The other one, a lot of vibration, a lot of noise, and it was a much higher pitch noise. This one kind of has like a low, I'm trying to think here. I mean, I can sit right next to it. It's even quieter than one of those quiet air compressors, to give you an idea. The last pressure washer was loud enough where it was a little obnoxious at times. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but we got some fairly stubborn mildew, especially like right up here. It's really bad. It's been there for a while. I don't know how well this is gonna do, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to spray some of the green stuff on there. We'll kind of get it up top too. Maybe I'll just go ahead and just clean the whole garage door, and we'll see how it does. Well guys, I gotta be honest, that I definitely see the appeal of the turbo tip now. Turbo tip, good for like stripping paint and stuff like that. This one I'm sure you could strip some looser paint with, but it's really not designed for that. This is really like your just top of the line electric unit, really. Works great though for what I just did, when you're not quite at the paint stripping level, but you are at the let's clean some concrete, asphalt, sides of your house. Obviously great for electric pressure washers are, in my opinion, superior for washing cars. Having a gas one is just kind of a necessary for the amount of PSI that you can get out of them. I am gonna try this on some concrete because I'm sure you guys would like to see how it does. So let's go find a spot to do that and we'll give it a go. All right guys, we're gonna do a couple of concrete spots. So this is pretty smooth finished concrete, but this is where I had some bags of soil sitting. So we're gonna go ahead and go at those. Then we have one more spot that's full of mildew. That'll be pretty fun. So we're using the turbo tip once again. Well, I definitely created myself some more pressure washing work to do because you know how it goes. You start to clean one part and then you kind of got to make the rest match it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So yeah, pressure washer, absolutely amazing. I definitely like this. I would say 15% more than the last Bauer I had, which, you know, was a great unit. But like I said, I felt like it was definitely kind of gimmicky and unnecessary to have like the hose reel. This one just makes a lot more sense. The nozzle holder, sorry, not the nozzle, but the wand holder is way better. It actually holds it. The last one, the wand just fell out no matter what. It didn't have like a top piece holding it. And although this might seem a little bit goofy, like having the kind of bungee cord reel, it works great, you know, and I can see it dry rotting over time, but should be fairly easy to replace or rig something up, even put a bungee cord on it for all you care. But yeah, definitely great. Turbo nozzles definitely worth getting. I know they can cost a little bit of money, so that's why it's kind of worth just getting this unit. But yeah, comparatively, I definitely would have gotten this one over the other one all day, every day. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels, Toasty Bros and Toasty Clips, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.